Alpena Aero Bridge. I'm opening up now for you, Captain.
Roger that, thank you.
You're welcome.
We have the Alpena arriving to the Duluth ship now. The steamer Alpena was built as the Leon Fraser in 1942, by the Great Lakes Engineering Works in River Rouge, Michigan. She measures 520 feet in length, 67 feet in width, and 35 feet in depth. She is powered by a 4,000 horsepower De Laval steam turbine engine, which gives her a top speed of 13 knots or about 15 miles per hour. She's also equipped with a bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. Alpena has 12 hatches on her deck and a maximum carrying capacity of 13,900 tons, or about 520,000 60-pound bags of dry bulk cement. The Alpena is owned and operated by or at least operated by Inland Lake Management of Alpena, Michigan. For the captain's salute, the ship initiates greeting with one long blast followed by two short blasts. The reverse blast is the same thing. The Alpena was named in 1991 in honor of Alpena, Michigan, which is the headquarters of Inland Lake and location of the wholesome Alpena cement plant. She carries a crew of about 21 and makes cement deliveries for Wholesome across the Great Lakes. She's currently the oldest operating self-propelled ship on the Great Lakes and one of the last steamships. Built during World War II for the Pittsburgh Steamship Company, she made her maiden voyage from Detroit to Duluth in June of 1942 and carried record loads of iron ore during the war. Original length was 639 feet. She was sold to Inland Lakes Management and converted to a self-unloading cement carrier in 1991, which was done here at Fraser Shipyards, and her length was shortened by 120 feet to handle cement, which is a more dense cargo. The Alpena's name was used for a previous vessel that sailed from 1909 until scrapped in 1973. And of course the Alpena just came in with cement for the Superior Terminal. Built in 1942, 520 feet of length, maximum carrying capacity of 13,900 tons. And once again, they're unloading cement here in port.